You can load roll paper in the Roll 2 unit and set up Roll 1 for auto take-up. Tap Menu, General Settings, Printer Settings, Paper Source Settings, Roll Paper Setup, Roll 1 Function, then Take-up. Load roll paper in the Roll 2 unit. Tap Paper Setting, Roll 1 Prepare for Take-up, then Proceed. Raise the lock levers on the Roll 1 spindle and remove it. Remove the transparent paper stop. If you are using a 3-inch roll core, install the core adapters. Insert the spindle into the roll core. Attach the transparent paper stop, leaving a gap of 0.4 inches between the paper stop and the core. Place the spindle into the grooves with the black paper stop on the right. Push down the lock levers. Choose whether you will roll the paper with the printed side facing in or out. Then press the Pause Resume button. Press the Take-up Direction button to select the roll direction. Then press the Pause Resume button again. Tap OK. Move the paper support to position A. Open the paper output flap. Move the paper support to position B. Then tap OK again. Use the backward and forward options to adjust the paper length as needed for take-up loading. Cut the leading edge of the paper at 45-degree angles. To roll the paper with the printed side facing out, tape the edge of the paper to the core as shown. To roll the paper with the printed side facing in, tape the edge of the paper to the core as shown. Tap and hold forward to wind the paper roll once around the core. Make sure there is some slack in the paper so that it takes up evenly. When you're finished, tap Complete. Tap Paper Setting, then Roll 2. Select Feed Cut Paper. Adjust the cutting position using the backward and forward options. Then tap Cut. The printer will automatically wind the remaining paper onto the roll. If any paper remains unrolled, use the manual take-up buttons to finish rolling your print. Raise the lock levers and remove Roll 1.